We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
I'm Professor Bhavi Pandya, Assistant Professor at Chemical Engineering Department at Government Engineering College, Valsad. The topic for today's lecture is key component from the chapter Process Design of Distillation Column. Now, whenever we are separating two components in distillation, this separation is called a binary mixture separation. And whenever we are separating something more than two components, then this type of separation is under multi-component distillation. So whenever we are talking about multi-component distillation, it is very difficult which component will be at top, which component will be at bottom. If you are separating something in binary mixture like A plus B, right, you will get one of the component at top, one of the component at bottom. So you are clear that I want separation between A and B. But if you are having number of mixture A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you are not clear between which two component you want a specific separation. So for these cases, key components are very much important. It will give you a basic idea that between which two important component you need separation. So what is key component? Key component in simple terminology, in layman language, it is the two component between which you need separation. Very simple. કોઈ બે component છે જેમાં તમને separation જોઈએ છે. Out of many components. So if it is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and you decide your main component is AB, then AB is your key component. Right? So again, now this key component is divided into two parts. One is light key component and one is heavy key component. Again, to be very simple, in a layman language, very simple language, what is light key component? Light key, the word suggests that, word itself tells you that it is light. That means the boiling point will be lower. That means it is more volatile. So where you will find out light products, light key component, as it is light, the boiling point is lower, you will find it at the top side of distillation column. And another part of the key component is heavy key. Heavy key, the name itself suggests it is heavy. So where you will find it? You will find this at bottom. It is less volatile. The boiling point will be high. Simple. Now component other than this key component, like I gave you example of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B are key component. Other component other than A, B are called non-key component. Very simple. Components other than key components are called non-key components. Now this non-key component is again divided into two parts. One is distributed key components and one is non-distributed key components. Right? Distributed key components means components other than key component A, B, which are sufficiently in the top and bottom product, are called distributed component. That means distributed component you will be finding in top as well as bottom. Right? And non-distributed component means the component which is not having sufficient concentration even in top and even in bottom. So you will not get a sufficient quantity of those components at top and bottom are classified under non-key components. So this is the basic classification of your key components in multi-component distillation. Thank you.